where does this self hate actually comes from? सेल्फ हेट की बात हो रही है ना इस कोट में, लियोनल कॉर्बेट की जो कोट है इसमें सेल्फ हेट की बात हो रही है, ठीक है. सेल्फ हेट, या इफ यू आर जजिंग अ पर्टिकुलर पर्सन और पर्टिकुलर ग्रुप, बेसिकली यू आर जजिंग योर ओन सेल्फ, ठीक है. आप उस पर्टिकुलर इंसान को या उस ग्रुप को जज नहीं कर रहे, यू आर रिएक्टिंग to the perception that you are. अच्छा, और perception आपका अपना मसला है. Perception is not something that is actually coming, that is something that is inside your, coming out of your own unconscious mind. ठीक है. तो अगर ये self hate project हो रहा है तो where does this self hate actually comes from? अच्छा, how many of you feel uncomfortable sitting just with your own self? अच्छा, condition ये है कि you don't have a cell phone and you have absolutely no distraction at all. It is just you and yourself. तो अगर if you are comfortable in your own company, तो उसका मतलब ये कि there is no internal conflict that exists inside you. Internal conflict that is there inside you. You are at peace with your own self, and your nervous system is regulated. सही है. But अगर if you do not feel comfortable sitting in your own presence, अच्छा चले सिटिंग कितने घंटे बैठने की बात हो रही है? नहीं नहीं नहीं, आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट 5 minutes, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द होल डे, द होल डे, द होल वीक. अच्छा, तो आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट जीरो डिस्ट्रैक्शंस. सही है. You are only allowed to take breaks for eating, of course, and going to the toilet and sleeping. ठीक है. Let's suppose आपको कोई कमरे में बंद कर दे, alright, एक हफ्ते के लिए, and you're getting very good quality of food, the room is very comfortable, let's suppose, but you cannot do anything else. ना टेलीविजन है, ना कोई किताब है, ना कोई मैगजीन है. तो अगर आप अपनी कंपनी को enjoy नहीं कर सकते for a certain period of time, like for example a day or a week, इसका मतलब है कि you are haunted by your own existence, and this is a sign of some serious internal conflicts that are going on inside of you. तो वो दैट इज वाई इट इज अ पनिशमेंट ना, कि वो पनिशमेंट के तौर पे रखा जाता है उनको कि भाई बिल्कुल यू आर अलोन विद योर ओन सेल्फ, बिकॉज उनको पता है बाय डिफॉल्ट द पर्सन इज एक्चुअली हेटिंग हिमसेल्फ एंड ही इज विद अ पर्सन हु इज हॉन्टिंग यू, दैट इज योर ओन सेल्फ. देखिए इंटरनल कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स आते किधर से, इसका थोड़ा सा बैकग्राउंड आप समझ लें कि वेयर डज दीज इंटरनल कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स एक्चुअली कम फ्रॉम. ठीक है. And अच्छा, by the way, this also is a sign if you are not comfortable with your own presence for a long period of time, you have a shadow that is actually haunting you, और उसकी eventually आप presence feel करना शुरू कर देते हैं when you are alone. Sorry? Yeah. Basically, shadow contains, yeah, the unconscious contain everything that you hate about yourself, that you consciously cannot acknowledge. And literally, you are right about this. This is actually creepy. वो जो आपकी ज़ात के अंदर वो चीज़ है ना, मतलब that is not disappearing, that is there, that is right there. ठीक है. When you are busy and doing stuff, all right, so you are distracting yourself from that part of your being which is there, which you actually despise, and you are not consciously acknowledging it. हाँ. Yeah. So you learn to hate yourself. देखें, there is dynamics between, जब आप छोटे होते हैं ना, तो there are two things which you want to, other than eating and going to the toilet, there are two more important things. Number one, authenticity. Number two, attachment. Detachment from parenting figures can feel life-threatening for a child. Why? Because the child is very much dependent upon the parents. अगर parents मौजूद नहीं हैं, या parents are pushing you away, या parents are angry with you, ठीक है, या parents are not emotionally available. मैं एक वीडियो शेयर करूँगा, प्लीज़ रिमाइंड मी. इसमें हार्वर्ड के किसी साइकोलॉजिस्ट ने एक स्टडी की बच्चों के ऊपर, एंड उसमें क्या है कि एक बच्चा बैठा हुआ है, ही इज़ लाइक 2 years old or 1 year old, एंड द मदर इज़ प्लेइंग विद द चाइल्ड. and the mothers are asked to sit with a blank face for just 2 minutes. Bilkul blank face, zero emotions, just like a statue. All right, what happens to the child? The child starts screaming. और उन वीडियो में दिखाया एक्चुअली बच्चे की वो एक डेमोस्ट्रेशन दिखाई है, and literally it is so uncomfortable to watch. 2 मिनट के बाद फिर the mother is like, you know, वापस से she's expressing herself, तो the child normalize that. ठीक है. They are not attention seeker. This is their natural need. It is their natural need. Please don't criticize them for that. Please. ठीक है? Need. ठीक है? और अगर वो attention उनको नहीं मिलेगी तो they start feeling very uncomfortable. ठीक है? They start rather, मतलब their nervous system start to react in a way कि something is really wrong in the environment. This was literally brain damaging. Literally brain damaging. अभी गबोर माटे की जो डॉक्यूमेंट्री में भी आपसे बता रहा था, अभी रिलीज हुई है, मेरे ख्याल it's been a week now. तो उसके अंदर he is saying कि this was literally, even today it is taught to the parents in North America कि बच्चा जब रो रहा है तो उसको ना उठाए. और गबोर माटे सॉरी ब्रूस डी पेरी की जो किताब है द बॉय हु वाज रेज्ड एज अ डॉग, तो उसमें पूरी अपनी रिसर्च भी उसने शेयर की है. एंड लिटरली ही एक्सप्लेन्स के द चाइल्ड गेट सीरियस अमाउंट ऑफ ब्रेन डैमेज इफ दे आर नॉट एक्चुअली पिक्ड अप व्हेन दे आर क्राइंग. But this is the first step if you want to convert them into a psychopath or a sociopath, or not a complete psychopath, then at least having some psychopathic tendencies. So yeah, this is the first step that you actually do, unfortunately. Attachment versus authenticity. Authenticity is the expression of whatever you are feeling. Being true to your emotions. अब मसला ये है कि when the child is trying to be true to his emotions or her emotions, the parents do not always appreciate. अब parents को कुछ और दूसरा काम है, they are not available. खास तौर पे जो negative emotions हैं, so called negative, they are not negative emotions. They are anger, for example, frustration, despair. All right, child is showing some kind of tantrums. अब parents को कोई दूसरा काम है, they are occupied somewhere else. They don't have time for the kid, let's suppose, and they're doing something important, and they don't really intend to, or more so if the child is in a nuclear family, and there is nobody else to attend to the needs of that particular child. तो जो parents जो push कर रहे हैं कि नहीं भाई तुम ये अभी इस अपने ये रोना धोना लेके जो है ना मेरे पास नहीं आओ, जो reaction है बच्चे का, this can feel literally life-threatening. And if this is persistently happening for a long period of time, so the child actually get this message that I have to compromise my authenticity if I want to maintain my attachment with my parents. And that creates the disconnect. जो आपको जो haunting feeling आ रही है ना वहाँ, because in the beginning of your childhood, probably, most likely, according to all the research which has been going on in this domain, your parents, of course, none of the parents do this intentionally. So in this attachment or authenticity dynamics, the child learns that it is better to compromise my authenticity for the sake of attachment. And this actually creates your shadow. Why? Because emotions गायब नहीं रहते ना, they are there. You're just suppressing them.